touch here with, what are we on? May's ear fleek. So I just got all 3 of ear fleek. If you guys don't know what ear fleek is, it is a monthly earring subscription service. It is $3.49 a month. There's places you can go out and find 50% off of your first month, which is really nice. But it's $3.49 a month. You get 3 choices of styles of earrings. There is the Silly and Fun, Minimalist but Groovy, and Boho Babe. Juliet wants to join the party here. If you can't decide which one you want, you can always choose their 4th option, which is I don't give a hoot, and they will pick one for you. So I started off just getting the Minimalist but Groovy one, and I kept seeing what the other styles were, so I had to get all 3 because I just love them that much. And it's a great service. So let's see what we have. Let's see, the first one we're going to look at, usually they have the envelopes marked. I don't see, this one isn't marked. Is this one marked? It's not marked. I don't know which one's which. All right, I guess we're going to be guessing which one is which because none of them are marked this time. All right, so we'll just start with this one. Juliet wants the earrings. So you always get a card with each and every one. It's the same card every time because it says that we picked this out just for you. And yeah, so there's the card. And sometimes you get hair ties, sometimes you get temporary tattoos. This time it's temporary tattoos, little butterflies. And these are pretty interesting. Let's see. They're dangly earrings. They're cute. They're different, but simple. They're like little bows and just a drop. They're just drop downs with little bows. Those are cute. Those are simple. I like those. So there's that one. Nope, it doesn't tell what on the card which style it is. So you guys can guess which one's which style. All right, on to the next envelope. The card, because always the card. It looks like I am getting butterfly tattoos again. So now I got 2 butterfly tattoos. And these are actually similar to earrings that I got not too long ago. Those I like. Nice simple hoops. I like those. So the ones that I got not too long ago were like just one, like a single one. And now it's 2. And then I like them. They're very light. I like them. Actually, we'll definitely wear these. And the 3rd envelope. I also heard from one of my viewers that not everybody gets the same earrings, which was really interesting to me. So I like going on other videos and seeing what earrings they got that month compared to which ones I got. Card. Let's see here. This time it is a leaf temporary tattoo. And more dangly ones. I'm guessing the ones with the bows are the Silly but Fun. The silver hoop things are the Boho Babe. I can't get these out. They're stuck in the envelope. Okay. And these might be the Minimalist but Groovy gold color, dangly, triangle, black circle thing. These are interesting. Apparently they're a toy to my cat. So she's right behind the camera now staring at me wanting to play with these. So all right, so here are May's ear fleeks. So let me know what you guys think. which ones are your favorite? What ones did you guys get this month? If you have any questions or comments, just leave me a comment down at the bottom. I do have a Facebook page now, trying to get that done. So you guys can always look up Dutch Reviews on Facebook and join my Facebook page. Give me ideas and suggestions on things that you want to see. Show me your favorite videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give Juliet a thumbs up because she always loves taking part in these videos. And that's it. And I will see you next time for my next review. So, bye!